In the realm of spirituality, the concept of energy is a central theme that transcends cultural boundaries, providing insight into how individuals can influence their own realities. The idea posits that everything in existence, including thoughts, emotions, and physical matter, possesses vibrational energy. Now, by understanding and harnessing this energy field, one can shape personal experiences and consequently reality itself. In this video, we're going to explore the mechanisms through which individuals can control their energy fields and how can that contribute to shaping your reality. The notion of an energy field, often referenced within various spiritual, metaphysical, and holistic frameworks, suggests that each individual, is surrounded by a unique vibrational frequency that influences both internal states and external interactions. This energy field is seen as dynamic, adapting to thoughts, emotions, and interactions with other energy fields. Spiritual traditions such as Reiki, Gong, and even aspects of Western psychology, such as Carl Jung's collective unconscious, align with this concept, suggesting that the state of our energy can manifest our experiences. At the heart of controlling the energy field is the practice of mindfulness, being aware of the present moment without judgment. Mindfulness allows individuals to tune into their own energy states and recognize the emotions and thoughts that resonate. By developing this awareness, one can identify negative or low frequency energies such as fear, anger, and sadness, and consciously choose to transform them into higher frequencies like love, gratitude, and joy. Now, you can practice mindfulness using techniques such as meditation, breath work, or grounded awareness exercises. Through consistent mindfulness practice, individuals can cultivate an energy free from clutter and negativity, which serves the foundation for shaping reality. The clearer one's energy field is, the more intentional and impactful their interactions with the world become. So before you even try to manifest anything, you have to make sure that your energy field is clean from clutter and get rid of that clutter and negativity, because no matter how hard you try, that low frequency is going to affect you and you never manifest what you want. Now, once you have cultivated mindfulness, the foundation of energy control, the next step in controlling energy is intentionality. You have to set clear and purposeful intentions. This is a powerful way to direct energy towards your desired outcomes. Intention acts as a beacon, aligning the energy field with specific goals or aspirations. Now, to effectively set intentions, you should practice clarity, specificity, and positive framing. So, for example, instead of setting a vague intention like, I want to be happy, a more effective intention is, I am creating an abundance of joy in my life by pursuing my passions. Now, if you look at it, this not only provides a clear directive, but also sets the tone for the energy field to attract related experiences. So what can help you is to write your intentions down and make sure that it's clear, it's specific, and it is a positive affirmation. Now, next up, you have to visualize these intentions. This can enhance their effectiveness as the brain responds to vivid imagery. Making use of visualization techniques alongside verbal affirmations bolsters the belief in the validity of the stated intention, effectively amplifying the energy field. So you have to understand what we said earlier about how everything is energy, your thoughts, your emotions. So by visualizing and by making these affirmations, what we're trying to do is to shift your intentions mentally. We want your thoughts, we want your emotions to reflect that intention of you being the person that you want to be, or of you attracting what you want to attract, which will direct that energy field towards your intention, and eventually you will attract that desire. The mechanics behind visualization, they also hinge on the principle of neural pathways. When one visualizes a goal or desired state, they essentially remodel their brain's wiring, making it easier to achieve that outcome. This is often referred to, the law of attraction, where positive or negative thoughts bring corresponding experiences into one's lives. So you can also employ techniques such as vision boards, where images and words represent aspirations. This can serve as constant reminders of one's goals, reinforcing the energy field towards positive manifestations. The process becomes a cycle of intention setting, visualization, and action, each reinforcing the others and creating a feedback loop of energy flow. This is especially important or very useful for those who get comfortable. Sometimes you want to change your life, you want to change your reality, and so you set your intention today, but then tomorrow or the day after, you get comfortable to your old life. You are comfortable to that old self that it becomes tiring. You forget why you started this whole process. So I think, making use of vision boards may be useful for those who know that, hey, to stay consistent is very hard. You can get entrapped to that old self again. Self-awareness serves as an overarching theme in controlling one's energy field. It encompasses an understanding of one's thoughts, values, strengths, and weaknesses. Through self-awareness, individuals can navigate their emotional landscapes, recognizing when they are operating from fear or negativity versus from love and positivity. Enhanced self-awareness allows individuals to respond to external stimuli rather than react impulsively. By observing thoughts and emotions objectively, one can choose to redirect their energy. So, for example, if one finds themselves consumed by anxiety, practicing self-awareness can provide the tools to shift that energy toward a more positive state instead of succumbing to it. Engaging in reflective practices like journaling, counseling, or dialogue with trusted individuals can deepen self-awareness. Such practices enable individuals to track the evolution of their energy field over time, identifying patterns and potential shifts towards higher frequencies. Controlling the energy field is not merely an exercise in personal development, but a profound spiritual practice that empowers individuals to shape their reality. Through mindfulness, intention setting, visualization, and self-awareness, you can cultivate a vibrant energy field rich with positivity and purpose. By recognizing the interconnectedness of your energy with the world around you, you can embark on a journey where you are an active participant in crafting your reality, a pathway to fulfillment, joy, and personal transformation. In a world of constant change and uncertainty, the ability to consciously manage one's energy becomes an invaluable skill that extends beyond the self, influencing the larger tapestry of collective consciousness. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.